thought Tina was meeting me here.
David. Now, what's my favorite intern doing in the Retail Innovation Center? And why are you bouncing balls off of the equipment?
I was just looking at this display device, but where's the rest of the system? What's it even hooked up to?
It's all right here. This is the all-in-one IBM Anyplace kiosk. This self-service system can fit any place. You can hang it on a wall. You can place it on a pole. You can get creative. And it's tough enough for real-world environments like casinos and retail shops and hospitals.
So bouncing the ball off the screen didn't hurt anything, did it?
No, that's not a problem. Think of the abuse a kiosk would take at a racetrack.
Come on, Dalvin!
You stupid horse!
Or in a restaurant.
Johnson, where's order 32? I need it now.
What? 32? Vegan chili fries? Who even orders that?
The Anyplace kiosk is designed, built, and tested as part of the IBM Retail Hardened point-of-sale product family. Now, would you like to see what the Anyplace kiosk has to endure before it's released into the real world?
Sure.
Test lab's next door. Let's go. Let's have a look into the lab.
Oh, wow! Now this is what I call a test lab. Is this all for the IBM Anyplace kiosk?
No. The Anyplace kiosk is just one of the IBM point-of-sale and self-service products. It's part of a 20-plus year legacy of retail hardened solutions. And here the products are put through a wide range of tests that simulate real-world customer environments. Let's see what Dwayne's testing.
What are all these instruments for?
It's a lightning strike test. Keep your hands off the equipment.
Yeah, lightning strikes and brownouts can wreak havoc. You don't want a kiosk in a government office or a hospital or even a mall to go out. So we stress the Anyplace kiosk with 2,000 volts, which is like a lightning strike outside the building.
You want to go to the thermal heat and cold testing chamber?
Sounds great.
Let's go. Bye.
Man, it is cold in there.
Don't you know? The Anyplace kiosk is tested from negative 40 degrees to 60 degrees Celsius to make sure that components don't become loose or disconnected during the most extreme shipping conditions. Then it's brought back up to 0 and started up. Do you want me to turn up the heat?
Yes.
Let's go check out the most bizarre room in the lab. Ready? Here, come with me inside the semi-anechoic chamber.
It can't be any worse than the freezer. Whoa!
Now, after the FCC test, it's bombarded with radio waves and other disturbances so that it can resist interference beyond what the industry demands. In fact, we developed our own standard that turns out to be more stringent than the European MCC requirement. David, are you paying any attention?
No.
The Anyplace kiosk is also tested to withstand electrostatic discharge, operational fragility, drop test, resistance to chemical cleaners, extended burn-in, and power cycling. David, do you know what all those tests mean?
I have no idea, but I'm impressed.
Let's go back to the Retail Innovation Center. I'll buy you a drink.
Okay.
Well, David, tell me what you've learned about the IBM Anyplace kiosk.
Well, I've learned it's okay to bounce a ball off it.
Check out the Anyplace kiosk on IBM.com. Keyword Anyplace.